video, 2 Corinthians 5 verse 21 explained. For he hath made him to be sin for us, who knew no sin, that we might be made the righteousness of God in him. This verse speaks about the incredible exchange that took place through Jesus Christ. God made Jesus, who was completely sinless, to take on sin for our sake. This does not mean that Jesus became a sinner, but that he took the full burden and penalty of sin upon himself. Jesus was perfect, without any fault or wrongdoing. Yet, in God's plan of salvation, he bore the punishment that we deserved. This was necessary because sin separates humanity from God. The only way to bridge that gap was for a perfect and sinless sacrifice to take our place. That sacrifice was Jesus. By taking on sin, Jesus endured the wrath of God that was meant for us. On the cross, he experienced separation from the Father, suffering the